Hello viewers, are you facing X Twitter dark mode option not showing problem? Viewers, if I go to enable dark mode on X Twitter, here you can see dark mode option not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on X Twitter. So let's see the step. Viewers, the dark mode option not showing on X Twitter after new update. This problem is especially occurring on iPhone. From now, you will not get the dark mode option on X Twitter. The dark mode option on X Twitter has been linked to your phone system settings. From now, if you want to enable dark mode on X Twitter, you have to go to your phone's settings and enable dark mode. So now go to phone settings. Just go to phone settings. Now scroll down and go to display and brightness option. Now here you can see dark mode option. Just enable dark mode. Now go back to X Twitter. Now see dark mode is on.